Nice. Yes, yes, clap, Elijah, clap. Welcome back to Yardy. Yes, and we have today Elijah as usual, me, over here. Before we even continue, please remember to like, share, subscribe for more fun, family, entertainment, education. Yeah, let's go. Today we're gonna do fried chicken.
Okay.
Guys, I'm telling you, every time I come in this kitchen, it's always there creeping behind me. So today, we just wanted to do our chicken together. So we're gonna do fried chicken, right, Elijah? Say yeah, Elijah. Smile, Elijah, smile. Thank you. Yes. So Elijah, if you look, we have our chicken. Nice. You see? Touch one of it. All right, Elijah. So those are our chicken that we're gonna fry today. I've already washed it. Vinegar, yeah. Keep it clean, good. The next thing that we need to do, because I like when my chicken is very, very nice, spice and everything. To use some of my ingredients that I normally just blend up and just mix it with my chicken. You know, the Scotch bonnet pepper. I don't call it Scotch bonnet pepper, I call it hot pepper. Look at my chicken. Look, stop it. Look, Elijah, look at my chicken. Wait, Elijah. So my thing is ready for the soldering. What you doing, Elijah? This is something we do every time. Yes. So Elijah, now I want you to help me to pour our secret ingredient on the chicken. Yes, hold it like that. Yes, let me help. Pour. Elijah, why are you making me want to do that? Stop. All right. Yeah, I'm just too short to do that this time. So let me do it for you. Ready? Yes, Elijah. Rub it like that. You see? Nice. Tell me it's nice. So wave to the crowd. Let them know that you're happy. Say hi. Elijah, come on. Hi. Yes, keep your hands there. Swing now. Swing like that. Swing like that. Now we're gonna crack the egg. So look, we're gonna crack it, but not right here, over the chicken. So let's go. Nice. Elijah, that is good. You're very helpful in the kitchen. Can I tell you? Let's Elijah, yes, I know that you're happy, but let's rub it together. Well, let me rub it together. When it's finished, I'm telling you, it's gonna be finished and done. When it's done, it's gonna be done and finished. Can I tell you? Alright. Alright, next thing.
We need our pot to fry our chicken, to do our dinner.
Turn on that for me. Turn that bit. Elijah, that one. Turn it, let me see. Yes, turn. Alright, turn it. What are you doing? Stop playing. I said turn. Elijah, you're joking. Look for me, I said turn the thing. You touching the thing. You should turn it. Alright. When our pot is hot, then I can add the oil. So when the oil is hot, then I can fry the chicken. So I'll get a plain flour. You season up the flour. Elijah, alright, I have to pour more. You want to pour more? Alright, Elijah want me to pour more again. I go, Elijah. You want more? There it is. Alright, we don't need so much flour. You want more? Alright. A little bit more. That's it. Elijah, you're not wasting our food.
Alright, store the flour. I need to season up my thing. And teaspoon of salt again.
Guys, just estimate it. It's estimate. Thank you. Put Elijah one side. Health and safety is my number one concern. Hey guys, chef Yardy, chef son, chef Yardy, it is ready. So let's do it quickly. Wow, pretty. Alright, just look at it. Crispy. Nothing beat these crispy chicken. So me and Elijah are going to test it out. This is our final product. Our chicken.
Oh my God! Wow!
Elijah like this chicken. But Elijah, I have to break it up for you. Remember, you can't. Elijah, I just told you, you can't eat it like that. I have to break it up for you. So, Elijah, just listen to me. Elijah, you can't eat it like that. Wait, let me break it up for you. Let me have a piece as well. Oh. No, no, no. No, I'll give you a little piece. There. Nice. Nice. Yes, yes, clap, Elijah. Clap is food. It's food time. Clap. This is all refried chicken. Elijah and Yardy. Thank you. Chef Yardy, Chef Son, Chef Yardy, Chef Son, Chef Yardy, Chef Son, Chef Yardy, Son.